Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany Markesh, and I'm back with another video.
You got them with the day, yeah. We gotta get you a braid hat.
I know it has been a minute. I don't think it's been that long. I mean, it's been a few weeks, but I've been gone for longer. But anyways, what did I come on here to do? I came on here to give you guys an intro to the video. Okay, clearly this video is a few weeks late. I've just been so busy. I went to New Orleans, I went home. I've just been going. So now that I've been home for a while, I was able to sit down, get this video edited, and put out to you guys. In this video, you will see us taking Kylo to his first MLB game and his first NBA game. You also see him going to his second MLB game as well. Me and Kevin are both big Dodgers fans, but he is also a huge Cubs fan. That's his #1 team, whereas my #1 team is the Braves. His is the Cubs, but we both like the Dodgers as well. So we took him to a Braves and Dodgers game. That was the first game he went to. And then when I went home to Chattanooga to visit my family, we took him to the Braves versus the Cubs because my grandmother's a huge Braves fan. That's why I'm a huge Braves fan, because I grew up watching the Braves. But yeah, so there's that. Also, we're going to Malibu. We do a little date in Malibu. And then we have like a little beach day. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys that. It's a different, kind of different, but not different type of vlog. I don't know. When I was watching it, when I was editing it or whatever, it felt like it was like a little different, but the same, if you know what I mean. I don't know. But yeah, and then when I went home, I also took him to the aquarium with my family, which that was super fun. He did fall asleep at the very end of it though, but it was still cool. And then let's see what else. What else? That's it. Yeah, that's it. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. I am working this week on, getting a YouTube schedule planned out and all that stuff or whatever, and getting more consistent, because now I have more time now that he naps for an hour and a half to 2 hours every single time he takes a nap now. So it's like amazing. He's sleeping through the night, everything. So we got this thing going, so I'm able to get more stuff done and feel better about everything. So yeah, let's do this. I'm excited. Hope you're excited. All right, so yeah, if you're new here and haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, or you can do it at the end, or you don't have to at all. But if you are subscribed and you haven't turned on the post notification bell, turn on post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post, okay? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. And he's currently on the ground right now, ready to get up. So let me go get up.
Headed to the game. First Clippers game for both of us. Well, all three of us. First NBA game for this little one.
Yep.
And it was literally like a turn it more in.
This one?
No, like like that, so you can see you. You can still back it up. I was just saying. This was like a look at the camera. This was like a last minute thing. So the helicopter, turn it off. Yeah.
Sorry, y'all. I'm new at this.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. So like I was saying, this is first time at a Clippers game. His first time at an NBA game, and this is a last minute thing. We're excited. Yeah. Got some good seats for good price.
Yep.
What game is this?
Clippers versus the Pelicans in the game. The end game tournament or something like that. End game playoff game or something like that. Okay. Like they got to win this game to go to the playoffs.
Make it in the playoffs.
Yeah, and Paul George's not playing because he got COVID.
Oh, okay. All right, so yeah. I got the carrier on. See? We're ready to go. Praying Kylo does good. Alrighty, stop it.
Holla. Kylo, man, ready to watch some basketball tonight?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Ready to watch some basketball tonight?
Like, I don't know what's going on.
These two cuties. How did I get so lucky?
We get so lucky.
How did I get so lucky?
Oh.
Look, still cheesing, still cheesing. That little compliment.
Shut up. That's all it takes. Just the little things.
I like the drip though.
Let me show you.
She got the ones. Where you get the pants from?
Pretty little thing.
Where you get the flannel from?
The flannel, pretty little thing.
How about the black shirt underneath?
Black shirt underneath. I got this a while ago, so I don't even know. I have no clue where I got it from.
How about you, Kylo? Where you get your drip from?
Zara out. Well, Zara crew neck, H&M joggers, Amazon socks. Let me show you. Keep walking. Now we got the Drippy King right here.
Drip King. Got the one StockX. White pants, H&M. Tupac shirt. Got the Tupac pop-up shop right there.
Tupac pop-up shop.
This is Zara.
Yep.
This is Jeweler Work. Chill. Jeweler Work, chill. This joint is from off of Sunset. Small store.
You got that one there too?
Yep.
Okay.
And that's it.
That's it. All right, you're looking good. Looking good.
Appreciate you.
All right, we gotta catch this crosswalk. Oh, I just. I'm almost there. Nightlife in LA.
Nightlife in LA. Kylo, man, what's up? Say what's up to the camera.
Kylo.
Say what's up, YouTube family. What's up, all you weirdos? Say now. Still got logos off. Trying to find a spot to take pictures though. Let's see if y'all know y'all NBA history. Who is that? 5 seconds to guess. Say nah. Y'all better know who that is. I know. That joint tough though.
Those were those places on the garage in the elevator.
She's so good with
Look.
So we're at Malibu Seafood in Malibu, and we're out here for lunch on a Saturday. We just got this new seat from Amazon. Kylo's loving it. And for the food, he got the fried fish sandwich, I got the fried shrimp sandwich, we got calamari, french fries, some rice pilaf, and then I guess that's their strawberry lemonade.
Yeah.
I don't know, but we're excited to try it. You excited, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Look how yummy that looks.
You excited? You excited? I do excited. Yeah.
Got hand sanitizer?
Yep.
So ain't nothing to it but to do it.
Let's get to it. That's what you said.
Which one is yours?
I don't know.
I didn't know which one is which. Oh,
That's the shrimp. Here's the rice pilaf. Oh, there's my Chipotle aioli. Oh, they didn't put tartar sauce on it?
Yeah, we need like some tartar. You got tartar sauce?
It's on it already. Here's mine. It comes with cheese and tartar sauce, but I also asked them to put Chipotle aioli on it. But they just put it on the side. So here it is right here.
I'm gonna give us some of that Chipotle aioli too.
Hand me the fork or spoon. I have two.
Oh. Look at this.
Oh, that spoon is for my rice. Kylo's looking.
Gotta have a ketchup.
Kylo's looking like, so where's my food?
Gotta have a ketchup. Gotta say grace. Let y'all know where this sitting. Let me see. If it's weak, no, I'm gonna tell y'all.
How is it? Straight?
It's good.
It's good. Alright, let me tell you what the shrimp hitting on. My bite gonna be all in the camera. Look at Kylo. He's like, so what about me?
Want some more? Want some? Good try.
What'd you
Look
do?
at that.
It's good, but I feel like I need like the lettuce. Like,
It needs, yeah, it needs extra stuff. Now it's lemonade here.
Yeah, it's good. It just needs like more toppings. Oh, not the nail in the video.
Hell ain't nothing I ever had before. Could've made this at the crib.
Try the calamari. Yeah, are you gonna try the calamari?
Yeah. I got stuff over it. It ain't $50 worth. No. It ain't $50 worth.
No.
Hell no.
No, it's not. I agree.
So the calamari hit.
Can I get some french fries? Put the french fries in the middle.
But now she want fries because I be wanting fries. Be copying me, dog.
I said to get the fries.
You know I was going. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Get fries with everything.
He get fries with everything.
Alright, let me see what the calamari hit me.
Probably was rolling so badly.
My bad, Kylo. I'm sorry. It's fresh. It's cool. I'll take some of this oil out of it though. Probably need to drain it with some napkin first. I'm sorry, Kylo.
I'm probably chewing so disgustingly because I cannot see anything, and yeah, that's why I never do a mukbang.
That's how she eat. So
no, you chew disgusting. I do not chew disgusting.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna change how I eat.
I'm not either.
God said, "Come as you please."
Kylo's ready to grab a fry. So yeah, that's what we're doing. After this, we're gonna on the way here we stopped at Sephora. Had to make some exchanges. After this, we're going home. So yeah.
Spence fight tonight.
Oh yeah, there's a huge fight tonight. It's fight night tonight. His brother's gonna come through. Uncle Pooh.
He said he's gonna come through.
He says he's gonna come through. He's not gonna come through. He lives out in Orange County. So yeah, this is beautiful. We will see you guys tomorrow for Easter Sunday. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Got a little surprise. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Can't wait to show you guys what we're gonna do. Why you gotta lean so forward? Monday, April 18th, I think. I don't know the date, but this is the fit. Very chill because it's a bit chilly tonight. And we're going to the Dodgers game, Dodgers versus Braves. Woo! Let's get it! And he is so excited. Kylo, man. Kylo. 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 You. Oh, there you go. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. My first baseball game. Woohoo!
See which one he liked better.
Yep, let's see. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in here. We're gonna hopefully get a hoodie for him. Like a hoodie for him, all of us. Hopefully we can find matching ones. And then we got a bobblehead. It's a Will Smith. We both got one. And then when we go to fan services, which is right over there, he gets like a buy first game, something or whatever. So it's exciting.
Getting a little baby right.
Looking over the baby. You like that, Kylo, man? Who like that? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes, sir.
Like that?
I'm gonna get him a little jacket.
We're getting a little baby something.
You're getting a little baby something.
But I mean, I said we can have a zip up on. Like that. Where is this one at? You see that? This is what we got.
It was gonna be a picture. They made it seem like a big deal.
A big deal. And
Picture, video, something.
You want this? Oh, we got excited.
Yeah.
Got him in. Let's say we're at the game. We're at the game. Daddy went and got us some good eats. Kylo gonna put his hand in it. Oh, it looks like he's gonna put it. Hot dogs, chicken fingers and fries, orange soda, lemonade. Orange soda and lemonade. Thank you so much.
Get Liddy. Liddy titty. Liddy titty.
Alright y'all, so it is now Tuesday, April 19th, and we have made our way to the beach. We got the food. We got North Italia, chicken parm, pasta, and chicken parm sandwich. We have little Kylo man, he has milk. He already had mashed potatoes today though. Say hello! Say hello! And I got my twimmies on. And I got my hat and I got my tent. And tell them. And tell them. You got them with the day. Got them with the day, yeah. They were at the beach. Last time we were here, Mommy was boogie boarding with her, me and her tummy. Right? Yeah. Alright, so we're about to enjoy ourselves. It's beautiful out here. Like, it feels perfect, right?
Yeah, it did feel mad good. It was gonna be cold.
Yeah, up in the shade it feels a little chilly. But
and it's not packed, not a lot of people here.
Yeah.
Relaxing, vacation vibes.
There's a lot of people down there.
Yeah.
That's why I like this part, because great views, not a lot of people. Very chill.
Yeah,
so we have Santa Monica over this way.
You talking? I'm going.
And then we have Malibu right there. Look at that. They got doing some construction.
Act like it came with fries.
Oh, it did act like it came with fries. I'm gonna have to check that. Like what? Alright.
Yeah, the heck, nigga?
Taste it. Always bless your food. Always.
It's good.
It's good.
We've been crazy with the fries.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. Okay. And this is what mine looks like. That's why she gave that little bitty. She's like, what do you need that for? So mine looks like, we normally get this and split it. But, yummy, I'm excited. Alright y'all, I decided to come down to the water, and boy is it windy. There they are, right back there. I think that's them. Yeah, That's them right there. I put on a polo, a hoodie, crew neck, because it's cold, but then I kept my dress on. But it's so pretty. Kevin is literally laying in the tent with Kylo because it's warm. There's nothing like living in California. Y'all, the last time we were here, me and Kevin were both boogie boarding, but I was pregnant. I think I was like 6 months pregnant with Kylo, but you couldn't even tell. Like my stomach hadn't popped yet, really. Like I had like a little bloat stomach. And it was so fun. And yes, it was okay. But I actually said it was okay. But it was so fun. We literally had the time of our life. And now we're back again with him, and he's 5 months old. So crazy. So crazy. They grow so fast. Time goes so fast. It's ridiculous. Like he will be 6 months and 2.5 weeks, something like that. I can't believe it. Literally can't believe it. He's the sweetest, most happiest baby ever. Like all he does, like I'll just look at him and he'll just start laughing. It's so cute. I love it. I love it. But yeah, that's what we're doing. The waves are so big, but you can tell it's so sandy. Like I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's so sandy in there. If you know what I mean. What are you doing in here? What are y'all doing in here? What y'all doing in here? Huh? What you doing in here?
Right up the eye.
Alright guys, me and Kylo Man are gonna walk down to the water. We're walking down to the water, Tinky. Yeah. He's trying to catch the wind in his mouth. You see the water? You see the water, Tinky? You see it? Ah! Say no, Mama, don't let it get us. I say no, Mama, don't let it get us. You see it? You see the little girl? Oh, easy. Oh, easy. That's a way easy. Oh, easy. That's way easy. Yeah, we like the water. We like the water, Tinky. We like the water, Tinky. Oh no, my hair. It's all on my face and I can't get it. Okay. Tinky, you playing with Daddy's football? You playing with Daddy's football? Yeah. What does that mean? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? You say it's my football. It is my football. It's my football. Yeah. Tell him. Yeah. Here you go, buddy. Here you go. So I'm doing this on my phone because the camera's in the car. But Kama Sushi Roku. Never come to this one ever again. It's in Santa Monica. But they don't do anything like the other ones do. I got the pork belly fried rice. That's what it looks like. So yummy. Kylo got the same thing. I'm just chilling. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Kevin. What'd you get, Kevin?
Wagyu. Wagyu steak with the rice.
Wagyu steak with the pork belly fried rice, but no pork and no fried egg. That's what mine came with. I'll put a picture of it. But yeah, that's what we got, and we're just enjoying this amazingly beautiful weather and day. It's great, right?
Yep.
There's the lighting. Oh, it's hitting. Oh, it is hitting. That's a good picture. One thing about me, I'm captured a moment.
So we got came to Kings and Queens because Sushi Roku in Santa Monica is trash. I got champagne butter, they didn't give me the right steak. The rice was banana cheese. So came here to eat, get a drink or two.
And he is like, come on, ain't that right? Ain't that right? Let's tell him. Let's tell him. Alright, so we got our drinks. This is my first actual drink since before him, like since I was pregnant. Yeah, I haven't had a drink yet. Like I've had a shot.
Oh.
I've had 2 shots. Yeah. 2 shots, but I haven't had a drink yet.
Yeah.
This is the first drink.
You gotta finish it?
I don't know.
She shouldn't be drinking?
Okay, so here we go. I'm scared. Oh my god.
Alcoholic,
I'm gonna be drunk off of 2 sips. This is what I've been missing. The margarita is my favorite freaking drink. Oh my gosh. Kylo.
It's good?
Yes, it's so good. Alright, he's taking his sip too. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. So scared. Hurry up, cut the music. Drink from the top, not the bottom, because the ice. Hurry.
From the bottom, right?
No, the top, because the ice. You want it cold. No.
Oh. That's what I did.
Alright, so his tacos came. He got 2 steak tacos and 1 chicken. Looks yummy, and some french fries. We excited?
Hopefully this is better. Yeah.
It will be. Hello, everybody. Today is a new day, and today is a new day.
It's Sunday. There you go. Hey, nothing but
clouds in the sky. But it's no clouds in the sky right now.
No, it's not.
And then she.
Delete.
I hate everything about it. You dropped something. But we over here talking about something. It's Sunday. We worshiping over here. I'm talking about something. 11 o'clock. Help us all. Lord.
Drop top.
Right. See where she needs to be. Church. It's yeah. I'm talking. Yeah, I'll be having that.
Yeah, let her know you're a child of God. Okay.
Okay. Period. We got Chancey right here. Okay, we got my mother over there, and then we have baby Kylo. He's so sleepy. He's so sleepy. He needs a nap. But it's Sunday, and we are. I'm recording. I don't care. Talking to my fans. We are going to the aquarium, the Chattanooga Aquarium.
Yes. We put it in the bag.
We're going to the aquarium, and I don't know how this is gonna go because Kylo, like I said, needs a nap. He's sleepy, and he'll probably go to sleep when we get in here. But it's okay. That's okay. That's okay. I got my dinosaurs on. Okay, I got my dinosaurs on, even though we're going to the aquarium. Yeah. Yeah. I know it. I know it. I know it. I know it, Dinky. Okay, I know it. He's so sleepy, he want it back. Okay, there you go. There you go, Dinky. There you go. Yeah, so my grandparents, whoa. I look washed out. But it's okay. My grandparents, my aunt, uncle, oh no, my uncles are coming. And my cousins are coming. Oh, Kaylee had her prom last night. And she said she had so much fun. I took pictures forever. literally forever. And they're so beautiful. But yeah, let's do this. It's a beautiful day outside, beautiful weather too. Like literally, you can't see, but beautiful weather. What is that?
My glasses, my regular glasses.
Walk right there.
Papa.
How you only look?
He's getting a military discount.
Grandma, my mother.
Yeah.
They're opposites.
Opposite matching.
Hey, what is your what's the fluffy thing?
Mic muffler.
What is that?
We gotta go. It's a mic muffler. I can walk. This is my grandfather, guys. If you've been following me, if you've been subscribed here, then you've known him, you've seen him. He's hilarious.
But I put my credit card out. I charged it $2. And there's a whole group of people waiting behind me. And it didn't take my credit card.
So what'd you do?
Well, I re-entered my credit card. And then
So we turned around.
but I re-entered my license. You do it the license. I put it back in there. And then it printed.
Oh, you paid twice.
How do I know if it's recording?
It should say record on the bottom left hand.
Yeah.
Bottom left hand.
It says REC.
Record.
Okay. Don't get spicy with me.
And let me have a watermelon lemonade slushy too.
Okay. Anything else for y'all?
That's it. That's it. Stop. Everybody on TV.
I just don't know. I can't wait because I need that. I'll try to. Like, oh, look at the turtle. It's gonna get on this one.
He's looking around like, oh, there's another big one.
You're too short. You're too short. I'm a ginger. I'm a ginger. See them?
Oh, look at them.
They got faces like Stormy. I did. I had to put them right here. Yeah. It's right here.
Papa, you excited? We gotta get you a Braves hat.
Huh?
We gotta get you a Braves hat.
No, I do. I like You never heard about it go away.
No, you don't. He sure is. Right here. 1 through 4. I want to sit by him. It don't matter. It doesn't matter. Right there. Sit right there. Oh, wait, yeah. Kiss cam? Y'all excited?